grocery.
Walay ligo.
Pero, fresh.
Balag mo ligo. Basta ka naa sa
SG. Feeling like a local. So we're here in Khatib MRT station and we're going to exit A kay naa ang bus dito to Singapore Zoo. Mamit na ni inyang
friends.
Park, Singapore Zoo, and River Wonders, separate entrance. Yep. So, wala na physical map. Just have to scan. There. That's the map.
Okay.
Naman, should we go to the right or to the left? Let's start the journey here.
Ano sila mo diri?
Ay, mong igagaw.
Malayot na sila diri ba?
Say hi to the vlog, Kazi. Tops Trail.
Ingon, nababoy niya na yun. Look, nung ko ito. Matinudaan mo, itong una nakita.
Tinuod yun ang sakit sa baboy ba? Old chunky baon for today's video. Dumpling, it's so yummy.
Dumpling.
With Gucci.
Ay, para makita sa akong mga viewers. Sana na ano. No? Mga sexy kayo.
We're heading to see the white tiger. We're kind of disappointed. Wala si white tiger nagpakita doon. Buti na lang, this is free. Hello! Hi! Dili ko mutanaw snake, uy. Imo mo ito mga kalahi. Wala, nipikit siya. Hello there.
Paan sa ila? Naganda ka?
Yung next year niya. Talawan mo di ay. Is it worth the walk? Oh, wow. Ooh. It's so relaxing. Sawadee ka. Grabe, close encounter. Sure, uy. Lenil.
Kaya sila. Bata pa na dito. Sa ulan kay anak mo. Oh, bebe. Kani. Okay, kani.
Luoy kita sa una no. Sila uy, hi kayo. Hi kayo mga kids. Experience na og ingani. Nao pagamay lang isa lang. ala, so cute. Ay, pag ambak ha?
Ano kung tinuod?
Ayaw i-check ha kung tinuod ba na.
Sino na kung dili si tinuod? Iuban mo sa turtle.
Buwang ka?
Ako i-check hawiran sa nako.
Kasi pag-ilom diya. Uy, kalasangan naman na diha, dear. Hello! It's so cute! Tanawa! Nagayang-hayang! Hi!
Ala.
Oh, they're so big. Hello there. Igang kayo, guys.
Ako siya malihog.
Amo.
Ano pa dalong gani?
Uy,
I know it's real.
Nawa, naginhawa siya, Katuwa, water, nag-ana, nag-splash-splash. Napraning na ni Simul. Wait, it's scary! They won't eat you, man. You go near. The king of the jungle. Wow! Oh no, nahuyab siya. Sleeping. We're inside Reptopia.
King Cobra?
Oh, di ko. Snake.
That's the King Cobra pala.
Hala. Hindi ko ganahan kay makadamugo ko ana.
Isipa, gid mo tinuod.
Pinoy gid ka. Kay mo yung i-touch. It's cold here. It's better actually. So, if igang na gid kay guys, go inside Reptopia. Di ba haggard na kaayo? Oh, guys, I always say this. You have to really wear the most comfortable shoes. Okay, we're now in Singapore Zoo and it's so tiring. There's a lot of walking. So yeah, I'm wearing my Onitsuka shoes. So it's a bit comfy. Singot is real. Okay, we're done with Singapore Zoo. So how was the experience?
Tiring but amazing.
You got to see a lot.
Hala! Parang iguana.
So cold. Now in River Wonders. It's just beside Singapore Zoo. And it's so cold here. It's so nice. This was called River Safari before, but now it's River Wonders. They changed the name, I guess. Piranha is actually real. You have to trust me. There's piranha here. Oh, nice, oh. So swerte because it's so mingaw. Hala! Kagutom, uy. Kani ulam. There are a lot of fishes. Kan siya, ay nasamad.
Panis na.
Kasi may nagbaak ni mo. Oh. Uy. Giunay kasi mo mga brothers and sisters. Mekong River. The mother of all rivers. Really? 7th longest river in Asia. I'll take a photo of you, dear. You want? Nakoy surprise sa imo ha. So man siya salig sa ako. Napaka personal tour guide niya, di pa ka masalig. You're so bad. Are you ready? Ato bang say, you ready?
Yes.
Uy, ay sa bahay ha. Bawal magtingog. It's so cool. Guys! Dili, pwede mag-story. Silent.
Seryoso?
Dili lagi. Dili pwede mag-story. Silent lang. Kanahinay lang. Kaya ma-disturb sila.
Uy, wake up.
It's 5:57. It's still so very hot. Uy, naagi nagpayong diri guys. Guys, na nagpayong diri taga Pilipinas jud ni sure jud ko. Tanawa oh. Hala ka, grabe uy. Payong gid siya uy. Maning naka-nice good niya. Kay ang Singapore Zoo mang good. Naghan kay siya lusot-lusot. But the river wonders. I like it because there's a trail na you have to follow. So di na ka masaag. Padungog tanaw Sydney.
Kuni ang thought sa kasabihan nga there's a lot more fishes in the sea and big fishes pa.
Kamo na lang sabuton sa to. Hey guys, we're done. Already
Time check 6:54.
6:54
And
guys.
still hayag.
Rate your experience. 10 over 10. Singapore Zoo.
1 to 10.
10. Oh my goodness. Okay, 1 to 10. So, I
Siya na,
think
siya na nag-rate.
Okay.
Pala decision.
Yeah. Sige. Go.
1 to 10 rating is
Singapore Zoo first.
giving it 8.5. Hala, pasar!
Congratulations.
The River Wonders.
How was it?
I'm so amazed with the panda. Mga kuandra ko, 7.5.
7.5.
Kaya, I compare it to the Ocean Park.
Si baby. Hi.
Manila to Cebu Ocean Park is some kind of, not that way too far, but I'm just more amazed
With because
with the
it's just
Cebu
a
Ocean
river
Park.
man. There's a
Yes.
separate
Yeah, there's a rationale.
Ocean Park.
There's a reason anyway.
Yep.
Kay river naman ang giingon diri. Dito kay Ocean
There's
Park
another
na dito.
kuan man, the same with Ocean Park. It's aquarium something in Sentosa. It's also so good, but
We'll go there.
this is free man, so
We'll go there.
I'm not sure with you if you'd like to.
Again, thank you. Singtel. Thank you,
free
Singtel.
entrance at Singapore Zoo and
Love.
No, nakaupo yung Besha, yung jacket.
Yung jacket lang. Okay, he's busy in his work.
Okay guys, thank you for joining us. Mailhan, gini nga taga Pilipinas na yung pinambag kay Gibali.
Hadlok.
Hadlokwaran.
Ito?
All options. Add value, all options. There, cash. Then, insert here. Last minute shopping. We're here in Changi City Point. Shopping siya. Ha?
Hi, Expo Station.
Yeah. Welcome, welcome. Hello, we should eat the rice. Nara ko tunon dear. Na, uy, di ko ganahan magpalit.
Hindi ko na palit na yung mga parang...
Kay tagsing kura. Hello, uy. Jeez? Kani kay tagsing ko.
Hindi ko sa texture. For you.
Kutunon dyan. Cute. Kasi nagtuo mo ang gatas, gamitin mo ulo.
Gatas na lang ginamong ginamong siya. For Singapore.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Yun sa pununan ko.
Ipangdaman na ninyo sa Malaysia. Naman siguro siya kamiti.
I'm sure patutoy sa Malaysia.